Okay, y'all, I am currently in the Dollar General. Just trying to show y'all some quick deals for today. Like on the Gain, well, the Dime Power Wash, it is $5. We have $2 off, making it 3. Then on this particular one, the Frosted Cranberry, it is 6. We have an additional $3 coupon off on this, making it $3. Then on the Scott towel paper and the toilet paper, the $5 ones, we have $1 off, making it just $4. And on these Gain Plus, they are $9.95. We have 5 off, making them $4.95. So I'm gonna grab some of them. Some of the items I wanted, y'all, are not in stock. So I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all my cart when I'm done and what the total will be. Plus, I'm looking up here, and those pink Gains was on clearance last time at the clearance event, so I'm gonna try to get one of those down to see the price on those as well. Okay, I got one down, and it's the Spring Daydream. They still are $4.95. No coupons attaching, so I'm gonna just leave it where it's at. This was not on my list, but this is $3.50. We have $2 off, making this just $1.50. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that because the item that I wanted is not in stock, and I'm about to show y'all what it is. But hold on, first off, we have 50 cent off for these $2 Downy Fresh. So I'm gonna grab one of those. Then on the Downy Intense, which is supposed to be like right up in her, it looks like it's, but it's $3.95. We have $2 off on that, and as you can see, it is currently gone, shelf wiped out. But I'm starting off late today, so I cannot be mad at that. Okay, y'all, this is my first transaction. We are about to find out how much I'll be spending. This is like almost $40 worth of product, but at the coupons, let's see what the total is gonna be. Okay, y'all, we are about to see what the total is gonna be for this transaction. I guess my coupons is coming off. Does it show up right here? Oh, well, that's my total, y'all. They also have these, y'all. They $5. We have $1 off. I really don't get excited about the 4-roll toilet paper because it doesn't do any justice. So I might put this back and just go ahead and get this Charmin. Okay, y'all, I'm in the other Family Dollar, and this is one of my transactions, but I'm adding more onto it. Basically, this is what I was looking for. The Downy Intense is $3.95. We have $1 off, making it $2.95. Then on the Scott paper towels, they are 5. We have $1 coming off, making them 4. But on down, the 6 equals 12. They are normally $7.35, but they are ringing up on sale for $5, y'all. So I might as well get more for my money and get them instead of those and just pay $1 more. But hey, they are bigger cow papers or whatever than the ones for $4. And also, if you don't like Scott brand, Bronny is having a coupon as well. It's $10.50. We get $1.50 off, making those just $9. And me personally, my favorite is the Viva because they're cloth like. But as y'all can see, they are 11 something. We don't have no coupons for those. so I will not be getting those. Okay, now on to the Dollar General kind. They are $5.50. We have 55 cents off, making these $4.95. So that's not a bad price either. I might grab one of those and a Scott paper towel. I'm just trying to get caught up on my paper products, y'all, but I know when Saturday comes, I will be grabbing up $25 worth of these and saving that $5. Okay, y'all, now that I got everything that I needed, this is my second transaction. The cranberry power wash, the 45 load Gain Plus, and it's $9.95 with $5 off. We got the Intense, the Downy 34 dryer sheets, and I picked this up. It says $6, but it is $4.50 on a sale. And then I got the Scott toilet paper that is $5, and we have a dollar off. So we are about to see the price of both of these transactions. Okay, y'all, here is my first transaction right here. About to ring it up and see what's the total. So, okay, y'all, I gotta put my number in. Do you think I'm about to show y'all my number? No. Hold on. Okay, number is in, and we are getting everything rung up.
Hello, welcome in.
No, you fine. Okay, let's see when the coupons come off. I know it takes a while because the coupons be...
So it's $29.58 out of $42.28.
Okay, so $29.58 is the payments. Okay, y'all, here is the second transaction. We got the $9.95 Gain, the dryer sheets, Dawn Power Wash. We got this, and like I told y'all, it was $4.50, not $6. We got this $3.95 with a dollar off, and this is $6. We got a $3 off, and the $5 Scott. Now these are my dollar items, but they're separate, so we're not gonna worry about those. Okay, y'all, entered my number, so we're about to see the total on this.
Did you get your coupon code for that one?
Yep.
Okay, you know me, I'm checking. What's sitting beside my foot down there on the ground? I don't know what this is. And after I got in trouble yesterday because of Diana,
Coupons are still coming out for y'all.
I'm sending everything back now. So it's now, instead of $39.57, it's $27.07.
2707 second transaction.